Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos to learn maths, physics, and chemistry. Today we are going to do question on simultaneous equation, and we will solve this question with two methods. One substitution method and the other elimination method. So when we do substitution method, so what happens there? We make either x or y the subject. Okay. What does that mean? So let us look at this equation. Let us name it as equation 1 and equation 2. Now, if you look at equation 1, can we say that I can write 2x equals 13 plus 3y. Okay. Minus 3y goes to the other side and the sign changes. Okay, it will be good if you can remember this. Side changes, sign changes. Okay, so if you can remember this, that would be good. Whenever there is addition, subtraction terms going to the other side, the sign will change. Now 2x is equal to 13 plus 3y, but we want to know what is x. So x would be 13 plus 3y divided by 2. Okay. Now, what have we done? We have made x the subject in equation 1. Now, let us go to equation 2 and do the same. We will make x the subject again. So, the equation given is 7x minus 2y equals 20. So, we can write that 7x equals 20 plus 2y, and hence x equals 20 plus 2y over 7. Okay. Now we have made x the subject. We have got the value of x in both the equation. And since we are solving the equation, the value of x would be equal. So let us equate these two. So we will have 13 plus 3y upon 2, which is equal to 20 plus 2y over 7. Now, in order to solve this, what should we do? We will do cross multiplication. Okay, so let us do that. So before doing that, let us create some space for the working and bring it here. So now we have got the equation. So when I do 13 plus 3y times 7, which is equal to 20 plus 2y times 2. Now 7 into 13 is a 91 and 7 into 3y is a 21y. Similarly, 2 times 20 is a 40, 2 times 2y is a 4y. Now we want y on the left hand side. So 4y comes to this side, will become minus 4y. 91 goes to this side, will become minus 91. Okay, again side changes, sign changes. So we have 21y minus 4y, which is equal to 40 minus 91. Now 21 minus 4y will give us 17y. 40 minus 91, negative is bigger, so minus 51. So y is equal to minus 51 by 17 and y is minus 3. Okay, so we have got the value of y. Now, how do we find x? We can put either here or here the value of y and get the answer. So let us say I want to use this. So I am going to say x equals 20 plus 2 times minus 3 divided by 7. So in the numerator we have 20 plus 2 into minus 3 is a minus 6. 20 minus 6 by 7 or 14 by 7, and hence x equals 2. So that is the method of substitution to solve the equation. Okay, what have we done? We made x the subject. You can make y the subject and solve this question yourself. Okay, so make y the subject and try solving. Now we will solve the same question, but now we will do the method which is elimination. So let me write the question first. The answer will be same, but we will see What is that method? So 2x minus 3y equals 13, 7x minus 2y equals 20. Now in elimination, what happens? Elimination, if you understand the meaning of elimination, means we are eliminating something. So we decide what do we want to eliminate, whether x or y. So let us say we decide in the previous one we made x the subject. So now let us decide to use y here, eliminate y. Let us say I want to eliminate y. So what will happen? Look at the coefficient of y here. It is 3, minus 3, and it is minus 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? It is 6. So we need 6 on top and 6 at bottom. So how can I get 6 on top? I need to multiply the entire equation by 2. Remember, we are multiplying the entire equation. Okay, that's very, very important. Similarly, in order to get 6y here, we are multiplying by 3 because 3 2s are 6. Now, the first equation, when multiplied by 2, will become 4x minus 6y, which is equal to 26. The second equation, multiplied by 3, will become 21x minus 6y, which is equal to 60. Okay. Now we have got minus 6y and minus 6y, and I want to eliminate. So what should I do? So I will have to subtract the below one from the above one. So when I do that, so minus of minus, this will become plus. So if the sign of the coefficients are same, then we subtract. If the sign of the coefficients which we want to eliminate are opposite, then we add. In this case, the signs are same. So we are subtracting below equation from the above one. So plus 21x will become minus, minus 6y will become plus, plus 60 will become minus. Okay. Now what will happen? So we have to solve this. Now minus 21x plus 4x will become minus 17x. Minus 6y plus 6y is 0. No need to do anything. And here what will happen? We will get a minus of 34. Okay, 60 is bigger with a minus sign. So what is x now? X is minus 34 by minus 17, which is 2, which is what we got in the first equation, I mean first method also. Okay, answer will remain same, just the methods we are discussing. Okay, now how do we find the value of y? For that, we can use either of the equation. Okay. So let us say I'm using this equation. So let me create some space, and there is a thunderstorm here. If you guys are hearing some strange noises, it is the thunderstorm while I'm recording the video. So now let us replace the value of x in this equation, which is 2x minus 3y equals 13. We are replacing x with 2. So I will do 2 times 2 minus 3y equals 13. So we have 4 minus 3y equals 13. 4 goes to other side, so minus 3y equals 13 minus 4, or minus 3y equals 9, and y equals 9 by minus 3, which is minus 3. So that is the answer. Okay. So students, you would have noticed there are two methods. First one we did substitution. Second one we did elimination. So in the exam, if they don't ask, you can use whichever method is comfortable and whichever you are, you feel that you can do with confidence. Sometimes they will ask you to do with a particular method. It is always good to know both the methods. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. If you like the video, do press the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.